Do you still shortlist candidates manually, scanning spreadsheets, sending emails, and creating tasks for interviews one by one? Let's stop that. In this video, I'll show you how to automate candidate shortlisting using NA10. Let's see how it works. First, the workflow starts when you manually click Execute Workflow. You can run it after adding new candidate scores to your sheet or schedule it to execute automatically after evaluations. Next, the workflow fetches all candidate details from your Google Sheet database, the Resume Store sheet. It collects candidate name score, contact info, evaluation summary. This gives NA10 a complete data set to process, no matter how many candidates are added at once. Next, the workflow applies a score threshold filter, by default set to 70 points. Candidates scoring above 70 automatically move to the next interview stage. Those below stay in their current stage for HR review. Now, qualified candidates receive a personalized advancement email through Gmail. This step provides a professional, friendly candidate experience without any manual follow-up. At the same time, the workflow automatically creates a screening task in ClickUp for each shortlisted candidate. Each task includes the candidate's name in the title, assigned HR team member, linked folder and list for proper tracking. At the end of execution, you have a fully automated candidate advancement process, personalized emails sent instantly to qualified candidates, ClickUp tasks created for HR follow-ups. If you are an HR manager, this workflow will save you hours. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this every week. And if you want us to tailor this flow for your HR system, drop a comment with your requirements. See you in the next video.